time. Oh, you see what I'm saying, dude? It just fell. Really, man? Really? Oh. What is up, RheeTV? Okay, I have my Black Lives Matter shirt on. We are going to film my makeup routine. I have a show in about 30 minutes, so this is gonna be really quick. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face, put my primer on, my moisturizer, then my primer, and then now I'm about to do a lip scrub. This is what I use. It is called Sugar Tart. And all you have to do is just put it on your lips. Rub it out. I usually put a little water on it. Because we don't want no crusty lips. Okay? Gonna wash it out. Okay, now I'm gonna put my concealer on. I am going to use NARS. This is medium 2 ginger. Got these designer bags. And this, that will not go away. I'm gonna take my concealer brush and I'm gonna just blend. I'm looking into my mirror. Don't worry, this will all blend out. So this is how I apply it. Oh, I love August Alsina. I'm so happy he's back. He was going through some mental health stuff too. I mean, we all go through mental health stuff. But I'm happy to see that he's back better. What is that? Inspiring other people to do the same. Now I'm gonna use the Bye Bye foundation, and this is by It Cosmetics. Ladies and men, make sure that you put SPF on. You don't want wrinkles. Okay, you gotta protect yourself from the sun. This is my favorite foundation brush. And we so good. And it smells so good. And I don't put makeup on my forehead. I don't know why. I just don't, because I don't feel like I need it there. You know? Honestly, the only reason I wear makeup is because of my bags. If I didn't have bags, I wouldn't wear any makeup. But I do, so hey. And then I fell in love with makeup. I love it. Yeah, blend it out. This is my my summer foundation, so it gives me a little more tan. So what I do now is I wet my beauty blender, and then I just make sure that it's in the skin. Looks good to me. Then what I do, I get my Anastacia Beverly Hills, and this one is Chocolate Brow Powder Duo. I get this, and this is from Anastacia Hill also, but I just brush it out. Then I get this brush. I don't like the Anastacia Hill one. This is more for a gel, so I use this one. It's a little thicker, so I use this for my brows. Yeah, I start from the edges, then I work my way to the front of the brow. Same thing for this one. You guys, I'm excited for my show tonight. It's gonna be so good. Okay, I don't like it this dark. So what I'm gonna do, blend, not blend, brush it out. So I get this brush. It's a little thicker, but it's pointed at the front of it, and then I take this Maybelline New York. It's a pretty pale color, but I just clean my brows with it. So I just go over. And then the same beauty blender, I'll just brush it out. Blend it out, I'm sorry. I don't have time for concealer, so we ain't gonna do it today. But there's my brows. Then we're gonna take my concealer. This one is medium dark 1.5 NARS, or Robert NARS. Just dab, just a little bit. And I'm going over my foundation. And then I want more of a brightness. So I'll go over with my light concealer and just go over it a little bit. And then I'll take a different beauty blender, wet it a little, make it damp, go in and blend. But this is just so I can look a little more awake. That's the trick. There you go. Typically, I bake with Ben Nye, and this is so ghetto. I've had this forever. I'm running out, and I'm waiting for it in the mail. It should be coming today, so I'm gonna use whatever I got left. And I take one of these, and we gonna bake, baby. And I usually bake under my eye. This is where I bake. Now we let it bake for a while. We don't really have a set time, so we can just work in the meantime. Just kidding, I can start on my hair. This is what I do. There's already another YouTube video on how to do this, but you know, I ain't gotta tell you, but just watch and learn. Just damp my hair because it's been in a bun all day. Then I'm gonna get my tea tree oil and put it on my scalp. And I just literally blend it in with the baby hairs. Massage it in there. Shout out to Miss Tracy Ellis Ross, that's my auntie. This is the conditioner. Move it in, scrunch it. So I put in my contacts after I bake. So once I do my hair, it's done. And I'll just, you know, brush off the powder. And I actually got this brush from It's My Ray Ray. She is one of my favorite influencers, makeup guru influencers on Insta. Her baby is the cutest thing. If I ever have a daughter, I want it to look like hers because I'm so obsessed with them. One of my favorites is the Hoola Benefit. I'll take it. I'll start with my nose. I like my nose a little contour. And I do my cheek. Oh, then I'll get the one that I used for my concealer, and I'll just do it on my nose. Then brow gel. You can get it at Walmart. It's like about $5. Just keep the brows intact. My mom used to do Boxycharm for me, and she stopped. I don't know why, Mom. You should keep doing it. But I have this, and I use all three because why not? Literally, I use all three. I don't like it. Now I'm gonna put my contacts in. Y'all, if anybody wants to donate to my LASIK fund, you can. It's hard out here, man. I didn't choose this life. I didn't choose to be blind. LASIK would save me so much time. Oh, you see what I'm saying, dude? It just fell. And you know I'm blind, so I can't even. Oh, really, man? Really? Okay, I'm crying now. But I can see. Yay. Now we're going to do my lashes. Usually I would have my lashes done, but with the way COVID is set up, it's a no for me, dog. So this is it. Okay. Yes! I'm going to use the Voluminous Carbon Black by L'Oreal Paris. That's how you get it good. Okay. And I use multiple. mascaras. Come on, girl. I thought I lost you getting my lashes done, but you still there. I always have issues with my left eye. They don't look as good. Usually I don't put eyeshadow on. I just started doing it because I have time now. If I wasn't rushing, I would do my eyeshadow. I'm not saying I'm a pro, but it's just fun. You know, that's the only way you learn. You learn by doing. And you never stop trying. Look at me just dropping gems. I might not be Jeffree Star, but look. And I'll use this one. I got this in my Boxycharm. I'll just do the same thing. I don't know why I do this. I just always use multiple mascaras to get the look I want. Then we're gonna get lip liner. I always love doing a brown or dark lip liner, just because it goes with anything and it makes your lip look really good. But just, you see that? Look, lips already looking juicy. What's that? I don't want to go for tonight. Then what I like to do is go with a light lip color. I'm gonna take my Kylie. One thing I will say about this girl, she blesses me with some poppin' lip colors because I love her lip glosses. What I say? Now I'm gonna clean my top of my eye. Nice little water. Garnier. I'm gonna just clean the tops from my mascara. Alright. Cleaned. Wait. Okay. This is the final look. This is me. Lastly, Mario Badescu. Okay. Then I'm gonna get my highlight. This is Anastacia, the contour kit, and this is my favorite, as you can see. We're gonna let her ride till the wheels fall off, okay? Places that I put my highlighter. The brow is cute. The cheek, the nose. I'll fix the nose. Oh! It's a lie. That is it. That is my quick makeup routine / hair routine. This is how I get ready. Y'all, but look at this hair growth. Do you see this? Bless Jesus, look at you. Okay, I love you guys. Please subscribe, like, share. And oh, don't forget, y'all. Don't forget. Black Lives Matter. Always, forever, period.